everyone, I'm Rachel West, Senior Nutrition Editor at eMeals.
And I'm Rebecca Lyons, Head of Culinary Development here at eMeals. And we know that holidays are hectic, but we're here today to encourage you to keep meal planning.
One reason is because it keeps you on budget during one of the most expensive times of the year. Even meal planning 2 to 3 meals per week can help you save, and it prevents you from going through the fast food line, which can cost anywhere from $40 to $60 for a family.
Plus, having a plan means less food waste because you're using everything you bought.
eMeals can help you balance out the inevitable indulgence of the season. Plan in a couple of healthier, lighter meals during the week and to balance out all those extra calories that you're sure to get elsewhere.
And don't forget to check out our breakfast and lunch plans for lighter options to help keep you on track.
Consider leveraging curbside pickup to save you both time and money during this holiday season. Most retailers offer this service for free, and it can prevent you from having to go into the store and getting all those impulse purchases.
Use the shopping list builder in our app. It's an easy way to add all those extras that you're going to need for the holiday season.
And frankly, once you spend a little time planning your meals and doing your shopping list, the hard work is done.
And that's one less thing to think about during this crazy busy time. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like these, where we can help you get dinner on the table in no time.